So Microsoft absolutely sees the need for video communications as part of the future. If you look at the way that our society is evolving now, video has become part of any 5-year-old existence all the way to 85-year-old existence. And so as that approach moves on, we really see a strong need for enterprises to catch up with the video capability already offered in the consumer space. The differentiating factor of the stuff that the Disruptive guys have done, which we're really pleased with, is the ability to leverage the existing assets that customers already have to deploy. It is a supercharging of your existing unified communications capability that is leveraging the majority of the Microsoft assets that you already need and use every day. As you take a look at your video strategy, it is critical to really see if you're actually going to be creating yet a brand new stovepipe for 3 years from now, a project to fix, or whether you're really moving with the IT strategy that the rest of the world seems to be moving on. The solution is leveraging all of the other technologies you already have to provide as part of a normal unified communication strategy. So it's adding very little, whilst at the same time it's giving a huge amount of business capability, which is a challenge that we all have in our industry now. Our business is asking us, why can't we deliver something at the speed of YouTube? And what we believe very strongly is that Zoom is built from the right architectural components to deliver very, very rapid value very quickly. This technology is actually going to be a key competitive differentiator in a knowledge economy. We see its applications from anything from learning and training to high workload turnover environments like anything from mining, mineral, etc., where your people can get up to skills on safety, on compliance and all these things quickly, all the way through to a corporate knowledge worker type scenario where the ability to get that nuance of how this specific tool works is absolutely critical and will result in a difference between hundreds of hours of productivity per business unit. Bespoke stovepipe systems are universally more complicated to install, which Zoom is not, because it uses the technologies that you already have and you've already deployed. You're not adding incremental huge systems. If you look at the value of the Zoom architecture, it starts from a hypervised and Windows Hyper-V type environment. It leverages for the data storage layer a SQL Server. From a server delivery perspective, it is delivered by a Windows Server 2012 and works within that infrastructure context. It leverages Active Directory fully. It uses SharePoint from the collaboration and management perspective and is actually optimized also to use Lync. Because you already have Lync, because you already have SharePoint, and because you're already using Windows and you're virtualized, it is a very, very small risk and a very large incremental business benefit to deploy this solution that will give you far, far more benefits than you will spend with your engineers trying to get features out of Lync that it was not designed to do, get features out of SharePoint that it was not designed to do. From an industry perspective, we really need the IT industry to catch up to some of the delivery capabilities in enterprise that already exist in our personal and private capacities. And we see Zoom as probably the flagship offering to actually start answering some of that question that the brand new 21-year-old graduate can say, hey, I do this at home. Can I not do this at work? And the answer now with Zoom is yes.